Hi friends, this is Rebecca from Jump Into Blogging, and today I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress blog through Siteground. So the first thing you want to do is go to siteground.com, and then at the top bar up here we have WordPress services. So I'm going to click on that, and we're going to go down to WordPress hosting and learn more. And when we get there, we have three options, and the smallest one is only $3.95 a month. And that's for one website and up to 10,000 visits monthly, which should be plenty to get you started. And you can always increase your plan later. So we're going to start there. And the next step is to enter your domain. Your domain is your URL, your blog name. And if you're starting a new site, you probably don't have one yet. So we're going to register a new one. And we're going to put in the name we want right here. And when we're getting started, it can be challenging to find a blog name or a URL that is not already taken. So you might have to play around with this a little bit, finding one that is available. But I'm going to put in mine here, Jump Into Blogging. And I want the .com. That's what people always go to first. It's the most common, so I want to keep that. And we are going to proceed. And it says, congratulations, Jump Into Blogging is available for registration with your hosting account. So I'm going to fill out my information here, and then I will see you on the other side. Okay, so I set up my information for Jump Into Blogging on Siteground, and I was able to download WordPress right there, so they make it really, really easy. After you get everything set up, you go to your domain name /WP admin, and it will take you right to the dashboard of your new website, your new WordPress website. So once you get there, what you're going to want to do is install a theme. And you want to stay away from the free themes because they can be hacked easier, they aren't as mobile responsive, they don't look as good, and generally it's not as professional. So we want to go to StudioPress to get ourselves a theme here. So this is StudioPress, and they have the Genesis framework plus the child theme, which is sort of the industry standard. They have lots of different layouts to choose from, but this is what you want to get to start out. It will make your blog look much more professional. So I have chosen this one here, the Authority Pro theme. I think it looks really good for what I want to accomplish. So I'm going to go ahead and click Buy Theme and the framework. So it includes both the Genesis framework plus the child theme, and you need both to run this theme. So I'm going to click Buy that. I'm going to fill out my information, and again, I will see you on the other side. Okay, so I just purchased my theme and the Genesis framework, and I am ready to download them and then load them into my WordPress site. So I'm going to click the download button here for both of them. And they come in zip files, and you don't want to unzip them first. WordPress will do that for you. So leave them zipped in their zip files, and then we're going to go back over to your WordPress site. And over here on the left sidebar here, we have Appearance, and go there and then click over to Themes. We're going to click on Themes and then Add New Theme. And the first one you want to do is your Genesis. So you're going to upload the Genesis first. So at the top we have Upload Theme. Choose File. And you're going to go to Downloads. And then the Genesis, and install now. All right, so after you have installed it, you don't want to activate it. So you're going to return to Themes page, and you are going to do the same thing again. So add new theme, upload theme, and this time you're going to choose your the actual child theme that you chose. So in this case, Authority Pro, the zip file for that, and then install. All right, and this time you are going to activate it. So you're going to activate the child theme. So I'm going to click activate right there. All right, and it says, congratulations, you are now rocking Genesis. So let's see how it looks. I'm going to click up here at the top to my blog. And then it looks just like it did on the StudioPress site. So I haven't customized this at all yet. It looks just how it did when I purchased it. So now I have to go back in and change my colors, change the text, change my picture, obviously, and make it my own. And so that's kind of the fun part and what we will go into in later videos. But now, at least my blog is set up, it's running. I have my custom domain, and we are ready to go. All right, so when you are ready to customize your new WordPress website, all you have to do, they make it really easy. You go back to Appearance, and then Customize. And here you have options to change everything. So you can change this top bar up here, the text, and it's really easy to just switch out everything that came default with your theme and make it your own. And so you can go through all of the different sections of your site, your colors, your images, your header, and change everything to make it just perfect for your site. It's very easy to customize. So I hope that helps you set up your brand new WordPress blog. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I love to answer questions and help you. That's what I'm here for. So do not hesitate to contact me. Again, I hope this helps, and have fun creating your own WordPress website.